Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So I can't believe today is already, well, it's September 3rd. I can't believe it's already September. I feel like this year has been going by so fast. It's crazy. So for today's video, I'm going to be talking about all the products that I've been loving throughout the month of August. So let's get started. The first product that I actually want to talk about is actually not a makeup product or a body care or skincare product. It's actually a candle. So I got this at Target recently and I absolutely love it. I think it's so cool. It's a non-scented candle. Yeah, I love it. It's a blue pumpkin pillar, they're called, I guess. I don't know. It's an unscented candle. I haven't lit it yet. I'm really excited to see how it works because I really like decorating for different holidays now in my room. You guys are going to be seeing soon the my Christmas decorations and Christmas decoration video that I'm going to be doing throughout the month of December for the Vlogmas series. Yeah, I just love decorating, and this is just I don't know. I just don't really like to decorate for Halloween, so I just like to have just a little bit of fall-ish stuff in my room instead of like Halloween decorations. I just like fall stuff, so this is just one of them. So far, I kind of do want to get a little bit more stuff. This next product is a skincare product that I've been absolutely loving. I definitely do want to get more of the skincare brand because I absolutely love the skincare brand. It is amazing. So this is the Naturium Quadruple. I have no idea what that says. Quadruple. I have no idea. Hyaluronic acid serum. This is one of my favorite serums. I absolutely love it. It is so good. Okay, now let's go into hair care. Now I'm not sure if I mentioned this before, maybe in my top 5 favorite products video, or I don't remember when I talked about this shampoo and conditioner, but this is the Qaui Fine hair shampoo and conditioner, and I absolutely love the way that this shampoo and conditioner smells amazing. I absolutely love it. It's my new favorite and probably my new favorite hair care brand. Next, I didn't know that this was going to be at Target, and I thought this was really cool, and I did want to try something from this brand, and I got something. This is the Mineral Fusion 2-in-1 lip and cheek stain. I'm not wearing it right now, but I do really love this product, and it does actually smell like roses, and it's crazy. This is in the shade Rose, obviously. It's my favorite lip and cheek stain. Okay, the next product, I forget who also was talking about this on YouTube. Maybe it was Allie Glines or someone, I don't remember. But this is the Maybelline Superlock brow glue. I have it on my brows right now, and it is amazing. It really lasts, or it helped my brows really last all day, which I really like. It's amazing. I love this brow gel so far. Next is more of a revisit product that I haven't been using in a while, and I used it last month. This is the e.l.f. Camo Liquid Blush. I love this blush. This is in the shade Dusty Rose. It's so amazing. I do really like this blush. I'm not a huge cream or like liquid blush girly, but when I tried this one, it's amazing. I do really like liquid blushes now. Okay, so next is a lip plumper that I want to do a little bit of a backstory. So I tried I think it was Dr. Dennis Gross, like the lip plumping thing. That was cool. I loved it. And then I tried the Polite Society one. That one was great. It was definitely a little bit more spicy and a lot more intense. But when I tried this one, I had it on for prepping my lips for makeup application today. This is the Lawless Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss. Oh, and it's the shade Rosy Outlook. This one I really do like as well. It's great. It definitely is also a very mild plumping effect. It kind of gives like a minty feel, I think, and it's really nice. I really do like this lip plumper. Okay, next is a powder blush that I kind of was eyeing, and I finally got it. This is the Malani Rose Powder Blush. This is in the shade Tea Rose, and I love if I can open it, the flower print on the blush. It's so pretty, and I almost don't want to ruin it because it's just so pretty. I love it. And I really do like the shade. I'm actually wearing it right now to set my cream blush. And it's just so good. I really like the, like I said, I really like the shade. It is super nice. Next is a eyeliner that I've been really wanting to try. So I bought 2 shades. I love these eyeliners. They're the Makeup by Mario Master Pigment Pro Pencil in. All right, I'm back with my camera charged. I have the 2 shades, what was it? Super Black and Perfect Brown. These are my new favorite eyeliners. They're so easy to use, and I really do like that they have brush on the other side of it. I think they're amazing. I definitely do want to get other shades because I do really enjoy using these. So that was the products that I have been loving throughout the month of August. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!